All right, the car dealer charges $200 per hour. Hold on, wait. Let's say you need money for tuition, fees, books for college. You can go here. My margin open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. But this, you don't need money. You got lots of money. You don't need this. So, the car dealership charges $200 per hour of labor. What will be 2.5 hours of engine work, 1.25 hours of transmission work, and 30 minutes of AC work. What's that going to cost? What will it cost? Well, 2.5 hours, 1.25, 30 minutes. So that's going to be 5 over 2. 2 times 4, 1 5. That's going to be 5 over 4 and 30 over 60 hours. Hours. So now, decimals. 2.5, 1.25, 0.5. Add them together, you're going to get 4.25 hours. Times the 200, that's going to give you a bill of what? $850. So the 4.25 hours is going to give you what? 4.25 is going to be $850. The total cost for labor. Okay. And sharks said, join me for lunch. All right. The population of the world was 8 billion. Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. 8 billion, 19 million in 2022. Write in scientific notation. So that means this number, to write in the scientific, you put 8.019 and 10 to the 9 power, because you're going to start here, see right here, and you're going to have to move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places to get to the original problem. Scientific notation. Okay. All right. Let's do another one. How many ways can you read wires, spark plug wires on your V12 engine, 12 cylinders? Write the answer in scientific notation. 12 factorial, which means 12 times 11 times 8. The first wire, 12 ways to do it. Then 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or you multiply it all on the calculator, you're going to get hundreds, thousands, million, 475 million, 1,600 ways to do it. And if you write scientific notation, you write 4.790016 times 10 to the 8, because you can start here, you can move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, there's the spark plug wires, and there's a spark plugs right there, your Texas truck engine. So wire number 1 goes somewhere in there, and then number 2, number 3, and so on. Find the slope of the line to the 2 points. There's a point and there's another point. How do you find the slope? Slope is this one. Y1, Y2, X1, X2. There's one formula you can use. There's others, but this is the one I'm going to use. So 12 minus 6, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So 12 minus 6 is going to be 12 plus 6. And this is 0 minus 3 is going to be 0 minus 3. That's going to be what? 18 over negative 3 is going to be negative 6. So the slope when this point right here is going to be what? The slope of the line through the 2 points is negative 6. Okay. Find the equation of the line to the 2 points. Okay, equation of the line. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Our formula right here. Y minus y1, y1, y2, x1, x2 over x times x1 minus x1. Put the numbers in there. So y1 is what? 12. 12. And minus 6. 0 minus 3. And then x minus 0. So we have 12 plus 6. 0 minus 3. 18 over negative 3 is negative 6. And x minus 0 is just x. So this is going to be negative 6x. And this is going to be negative 12 is negative 12. So we have y minus 12 equals negative 6x. Need to add 12 to both sides. What's going to happen? We're going to have y equals negative 6x plus 12. Yeah, that's it. That's the equation of the line that goes through the 2 points. What? One number is 2 less than 3 times another number. One number is 2 less than 3 times another number. The sum of the two numbers is negative 10. So if you add the numbers together, x and y, it's negative 10. Find the numbers. Okay. So we're going to substitute this x right here. I'm going to put this for the x right here in this one. So negative 2 plus 3y. T prints off. And this is 1y. So that's going to give you 4y. Negative 2 plus 4y. Add 2, add 2. So 4y equals negative 8. Divide by 4. So y is negative 2. Okay, so I know one answer. So put it in the y. The y is right here, so put 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Negative 2, negative 6 is negative 8. So x is negative 8. So x and y is negative 2 and negative 8. X is negative 8. And y is negative 2. Yep, that's it. Those are two numbers. An example of this, cost of a sirloin steak taco at Mile Margin, I guess, $8. Y is the cost of a bean and cheese, $2. Things like that. How about that? This one, how do we do this? Okay, let's subtract from both sides 6x. Minus 6x minus 6x. So now that's going to be 0. Rewrite it. 3x squared minus 6x minus 72. That's better. Now we can take a 3 out from all these. See, 3 times that is 3x squared. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 24 is 72. Now, 24, these are all the possible combinations. 24, 21, 2 times 12, 12 times 2, 8 times 3, 6 and 4. I say 6 and 4 will work. Check it. Does that work? I don't know. We can check it over here. Look. I say that this is the same as that one. Let's see. Let's see. Does it work? 3 times that. See, x is x is, let's see, x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. X squared minus 2x minus 24 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3x squared minus 6x minus 72. Does it give us the same number? Yep. So this gives us the same. So 3 equals 0. For x plus 4 equals 0. X minus 6 equals 0. Well, the only one you have these numbers right here. So x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So x is negative 4. And x minus 6 equals 0. So plus 6 plus 6. So x equals 6. So x equals negative 4. X equals 6. Example. 4 hours ago and 6 hours in the future, what's going to happen? Example, time that the sharks will be next to the swimmers at Mustang Island. Okay, do not feed the sharks, okay? So 4 hours ago, they're right next to them. And then 6 hours in the future, they'll be right next to them again. What? Solve 4 equations. All right. A minus 2 equals 4. Add 2 to both sides. So these are gone. So you have A by itself is 6. So the answer is 6. 6 minus 2 works. B over 10 is 20. Multiply by 10. These are gone. So that's going to be 200. So is that right? 200 divided by 10 is 20. Yes. 3c equals negative 9. Divided by 3 divided by 3. So c equals negative 3. Does that work? 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. How about this one? 14 plus d equals 3. Minus 14 are gone. So we have d equals negative 11. Does that work? I don't know. Say negative 14 minus 11. Yeah, it's 3. It works. Yes, those are the answers. All right. A shark swims 46 feet per second, and a man swims 2 feet per second. If the shark starts 5,280 feet behind the man, then how many seconds will it take for the shark to join the man for lunch? All right, so the man has a lead of 5,280, okay, because the shark's behind it or it's ahead. It's swimming at 2 feet per second. The shark is swimming 46 per second, 46 feet. So now, when will they meet? Subtract 2x, so 44x equals this, divide by 44, divide by 44. So x is 120. So in 120 seconds, they should meet. The shark will join the man for lunch in 120 seconds or in 2 minutes. Let's check this. Does that work? 5280 plus 2 feet per second. The man swims for 120 seconds. He swam 240 feet. Plus the original distance he had on the shark is 5,520. The shark 46 times 120 is going to swim 5,520 feet also. So the shark will be right next to the man. And join him for lunch. Join him for lunch. How many minutes will it take for a cup of cold tea to reach 192 degrees Fahrenheit inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer in Texas? Well, minutes. How many minutes will have to go by? Right now, your tea is 32 degrees. It's nice, icy, cold tea. Delicious. Eventually, it's going to become 192 degrees. That's where we're going to end up. Start and ends. So, let's solve this equation. So, minus 32, these are gone. So, 20x equals 160. Divide by 20, divide by 20. So, x equals 8. So, 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, your cold cup of tea will be 192 degrees inside your Texas truck in the summer where it has no AC. But yes, it doesn't have no AC, but it does have fishing rods. See, for fishing, you go to Mustang Island, Padre Island, Galveston, Rockport. It's out there. Your Texas truck. So let's check this. Does it work? Let's see. 20 times 8 is 160 plus 32 is 192. Yes. So it starts off at 32 degrees. 8 minutes later, it's going to be 192 degrees in that tea. A cup of tea. How many hours of waiting will it take for your blood alcohol of 0.24, which is bad? Don't be driving. DWI. Don't drink and drive. For this to reach a blood alcohol of 0.72. So how many hours waiting will it take for your blood alcohol concentration of 0.24 to reach a blood alcohol of 0.072? So formula right there. 0.24, we wanted to get down to 0.072. Subtract 0.24, 0.24. So negative 0.12x equals negative 0.168 divided by both sides by negative 0.12, 0.12. So x is 14. What does that say? That means it's going to take 14 hours. It will take 14 hours of waiting. Don't do anything. Don't drink nothing. Zero. For your blood alcohol concentration at 0.24 to reach a blood alcohol of 0.072. Because if it was more than that, a little bit more than that, Texas law, blood alcohol is more than 0.08, go to jail. Go to jail, go to jail. And what blood alcohol concentration will you have? A 36% probability of an accident driving your Texas truck. All right, so 36% is 0.36. I'm going to put it right here. So here's the formula again. We're going to subtract 0.04, 0.04. So 4x equals 0.32 divided by 4 divided by 4. So x equals 0.08 blood alcohol concentration. So what does that mean? Can we check it? Let's see. Does it work? 4 times 0.08 is 0.32 plus this is 0.36. Yeah, they match. But back to the answer. So 36% probability of an accident if your blood alcohol is what? 0.08. A blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 will give you a 36% probability of an accident driving your Texas truck. So don't drink, don't drive. That's the answer. All right, now the next, what? That's it? That's the end of the GED, DWI? Yeah, I guess so. All right. Celebrate Mustang Island, Padre Island, Galveston, Rockport, any of those places. Hawaii, got some money. Go to Hawaii. That'd be good too, yeah. For North Shore, 40-foot waves, with your Hawaiian stuff on. Might get hurt a little bit in those big old giant waves. Servo might break. Doesn't matter. You can get news report. Doesn't matter. You're good. This one, Last Monster. Nah, it's fun. How about this one? They're pretty scary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that's scary. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's scary too. And 7, 7. That's scary right there. Crunchy 1. He's a pretty scary guy. How about Crunchy 2 and 3? Oh, they're scary too. Anyway, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. Good luck. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your GED. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your GED and hopefully you graduate. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.